Hi everyone, I've got 4 pieces of 20 gauge wire and it is 22 inches long. So I'm going to take 2 of them and try to find the center. Well, as close to the center as I can get. I'm not going to be exact. And then with these long wires, I'll hit the camera, so I'll have to, you'll hear spots where the sound is not. I didn't even have that light on. You'll hear spots where the sound dips out, and that's because I hit the camera or the stand with it. And I'm going to do this one. And it is so thin, it was curved, but it was so pretty that I polished it on the cabin machine, and I'm like, I'll do the best I can with it. And I thought maybe I'd have to resin it because it had a dip in it, because if I'd cut that dip out, I'd had 2 stones. But yeah, that's why it's got a dip in it. Is because that's how it was, and I didn't want to lose it, so I used it the way it was. So we're going to wrap around. We're going to try to wrap around. I've gotten used to using one wire. I'm taking around that one and go up the back. And then we're gonna, and I just hit that, gonna go down. Alright, then we're going across, put them together, and go across, and go down, and come out the bottom. I didn't hold those good. Tempted to make this one a little different. I'm going to go around it again. Get up there, go around the back. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Go around and do it a second time. And go down. Go around like that. That's what we have so far. I'll do a little curl there. go up. Wrap it around. Oops, my wires are soft. And I was just using some harder wire earlier, and I got used to it, I guess. Want them wires together a little bit better. Guess I pulled one of them too tight. So I'll put a little curl there, and then I'm going to bring it back around and go around that. This is going to be our bell. And I'm going to put a little curl up here. Take it around. I'm going to cut it off. Put it right up under there. Well, I think somehow that's separated. See if I can get that back together. I think I might use this and go across there. Oh, do I want it there? Want it there? Or do I not want it there? I'm going to let that hang in there for a minute. And let's make the bell. I'm going to hook it here. So I'm going to cut it there. I think I'm going to take this across here. And hold that. There. And then I'm going to bring this over. You go right there. I think this is a Jasper out of Australia, and I'll put the name of it in the title. It's really pretty. I've got some more to cut downstairs, so I just wish I could have polished the back, but that piece was way too thin, and I figured if we tumbled it in the tumbler that it would tumble away to nothing. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking it out to the end. Hope I stayed in shot the whole time. I need a better setup. And I'll see you next time. If you get a chance, check out my other channels, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.